Hallo, it's dumplet here. Here's an item on geometry. So take a look at the figure. XZ is a diameter, so on diameter XZ, XY equals 7, YZ equals 1. Find the square of the length of WY. Credits to the Philippine Mathematical Olympiad for this item. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, this was the first item on the Philippine Mathematical Olympiad, and it is a very simple one because we do have a nice theorem. So WY squared is equal to XY times YZ, so we're done. So just use the formula and you're done. But if you guys are interested into how do we get the formula, let's try to move on here. So WY is perpendicular to XZ, and we could use some symmetry here because we do have diameter XZ. Let's just say I extended segment WY. I'm going to extend it to this point on the circle. By symmetry, this portion, let's just call this X. And then this portion must also be X because of symmetry. Because we do have like XZ to be the diameter. So the top length of X and the bottom length of X. It makes sense because we do have a right angle here and the symmetry. So afterwards, it's just really just a matter of using the intersecting chords theorem. So we do have two chords that intersect. So x times x should equal to 7 times 1. X times x is going to give us WY squared as mentioned in the start. And then the 7 is equal to the XY. And then the y, and then the 1 is going to be the YZ. So that's going to be enough for the proof of WY squared being equal to XY times YZ. Nevertheless, just solve for WY squared. Well, x squared over here is going to be equal to 7. X squared is WY squared, so WY squared would also have to be equal to 7. And this will be our answer. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.